Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how to connect or link crypto.com to your Defi wallet account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log into your Defi wallet, and once you're logged into your account, on the other interface you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the gear icon, next interface you have something like this. So right in center you have an option as connect to crypto.com app. Also, just a reminder, before you tap on connect to crypto.com app, you have to make sure that you're logged into your crypto account or you have already installed the application on your device. So then you have to tap on connect to crypto.com app. So as soon as you tap on it, on the other interface you have to mark on all of the terms and conditions and then tap on connect Defi right at the bottom. So after that, on the other interface you have to enter your email address that is linked with your crypto.com, and once you're done entering the information, tap on send connection email, which is right at the bottom. So after that, a verification code will be sent through an email, and all you have to do is open up your email and then tap on connect. And once you tap on connect, and after that you have to enter the 6-digit code that is associated with the crypto.com, and after you're done entering the passcode, tap on continue. So after that, once again head back to a Defi wallet account and then tap on the gear icon located in the top right. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on crypto.com app, which is right in center, and after that you have to make sure whether the app has been connected or not, and then you have successfully added crypto.com to a Defi wallet account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.